Few people I've met are as diverse and multilingual as the people of Mauritius! And that's because there is no indigenous population. The locals are mostly descendants of India, France, Great Britain, Madagascar, and China.
My ancestors came from India mostly, and France and Africa.
My ancestors came from India, Africa, China, and Great Britain.
Their faces make up every shape, size, and color, and it's cool to witness them all coexisting peacefully as one nation.
We are Mauritians!
Hello! Bonjour, bonjour!
As far as religion goes, it breaks down to about 15% Muslim, 25% Roman Catholic, and 52% Hindu, making Mauritius the only country in Africa with Hinduism as the main religion. And whenever one religion has a holiday, the entire country celebrates it, like Diwali or Christmas or the end of Ramadan. That's why there are about 20 holidays every year in Mauritius. Their culture and lifestyle has absorbed pieces from their former colonization countries.
So this is a chamarel distillery where we make rum.
Such as driving on the left side of the road from the British, their tasty spices from the Indians, and the foundation of their language, Creole, from the French. Speaking of languages, almost everyone in Mauritius speaks at least 3 languages fluently: Creole, French, and English, and a 4th is commonly spoken, such as Hindi, Tamil, or Mandarin.
Now we speak English.
अब हम हिंदी बोल रहे हैं.
But perhaps the best part about Mauritius's diverse culture can be seen in its food, particularly street food, which CNN ranked as the top 10 best in the world.
Iceland noodles made by myself.
How many years have you been cooking this food?
It's 60 years. When I am at 5 years old, I sit with my father on the roadside at night.
Every dish came here from overseas, mostly India or China or East Africa, and has transformed into its own Mauritian style.
Now we are leaving the Indian area and entering the Chinese one. Sesame cake with sweet potato, rice flour and black lentils.
Chinese dumplings.
Chicken shushu wrapped in rice flour and fish ball.
So now, when you think of Mauritius and its culture, don't forget about the diversity that comes along with it. I'm Drubinski, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.